This is the cube puzzler Go. 7 color pieces to make a cube. But before to explain how to play, what's come with this puzzle game? A booklet with 80 challenge from really easy to very difficult. All the solutions can be found at the end of the booklet. 7 pieces, different size, different color, different shape. Also, this piece has 5 cubes, if I can say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 2, 3. And the last 4 pieces, 4 cubes. We have also a storage cubes transformed into a game board. Know how to play, starting with the first challenge, the really easy one. They give you the front and the back of the cube. For the front we need the green, orange and yellow. The green will be placed this way, orange, yellow. Now we can make the back. We have dark blue, purple, red and light blue. Really easy. We can take another one. Let's see. For this challenge, like you can see, we have 2 white squares and we need to fill up this square. We know we have yellow, light blue and purple. We have yellow and yellow. The only way to place yellow, it's like that. Purple, it's easy. For the light blue, 2 ways. I can be placed this way or this way. I don't know yet. I'm going to place on the side. For the back, I have orange here and red. The only way to place red is this way, and orange will be like that. That will be correct. No, I can place the light blue, the dark green, and the dark blue. Puzzle solved. For another challenge, let's see. This one. We have only the front of the cube. And for that, we need purple, green, orange, yellow, and light blue. Alors, green can go this way or this way. Purple can go this way or this way. We know we have yellow, donc the only way to place yellow, it's like that. And I have light blue, donc I need to have yellow and light blue like that. Now the only way to place orange is to have purple place this way. I can have orange. I can have, let's see, light blue and yellow. Okay, this does not stay, donc I'm going to place this piece for the support. Alors, this will be correct. We have light blue, yellow, purple, purple, the orange. We fill up with orange here, green, green, green. Now, let's see for the back. If I'm correct, I think the red can go here, and the dark blue here. And the cube is solved. We can take the last challenge for the fun. Alors, only again the front of the cube. We know we're going to have orange, light blue, purple and green. Alors, purple can be passed this way, this way. I know that I have a light blue here. But when start to place like that, I have no clue if it's correct. I can have green here, and I need, let's see, orange here. No, orange needs to go here. No, this is not correct. Let's see if I make this way and blue, oops, this way. Let's see. No, blue needs to go here. Okay, this will be correct, right? Blue, purple and orange. Alors here, I know I have green here. Here I think I can place yellow. Let's see. If I place yellow here, oh, it does not stay. Okay, here. That will be correct. Alors green can go this way, but if I place green this way, I have nothing to place here. If the other pieces are correctly placed. Alors, let's see, if I place green this way. Let's see. Oh, no. This can be placed, but this no. I need to change some things. Maybe this piece is not well placed. Let's see how I can place this piece. If I place this, no. Maybe this way, no. Trick is to find, oh, maybe the red piece here. Let's see. Red piece go this way. I need to fill up with let's see, no, forget orange piece. See, I'm correct. This go this way, I will be good, and this go here. Let's see. Let's see if we are correct. We have the green, the light blue, the orange and purple. And I think it's the correct solutions. And I can see the solutions are at the end of the booklet, so we can check. And this is correct. And that's the way to play a cube puzzler Go. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.